Republic got you the first lead, and it's been confirmed. Official announcement: Fadnavis to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister. Devendra Fadnavis returns as the Maharashtra Chief Minister. Viewers, big breaking news we're getting in right now. Devendra Fadnavis has been chosen as the new Maharashtra Chief Minister. So the BJP face for the Chief Ministerial post, Devendra Fadnavis is back at the helm of affairs. He's going to lead, of course, the BJP emerging as the single largest party under his leadership of the Mahayuti. And Eknath Shinde's term concludes. He's the caretaker Chief Minister. And tomorrow we'll see the oath-taking ceremony. Fadnavis once again taking oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So that is the biggest update we're getting in on Republic TV. Remember, I told you way earlier that it is going to be Devendra Fadnavis who will be elected as the next Maharashtra Chief Minister, and this has been proposed for the Chief Minister's position in the BJP Core Committee meeting. Mahayuti Alliance, remember, won 230 of the 288 assembly seats, and BJP leading with 132 seats, breaking its own records in Maharashtra. And Devendra Fadnavis was the leader for the BJP's campaign. And a record-breaking performance, historic performance by the BJP in Maharashtra this time. Fadnavis now to be crowned as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Tomorrow, he will be taking oath as the Chief Minister. My colleague Meenakshi joins us live on the broadcast from Mumbai. Well, Meenakshi, Fadnavis is all set to return as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. It is now official, and Republic TV had got this big lead just days ago.
बहुत खुशी हुई है आज हमारे नेता इस राज्य के सीएम बने और जो अभी काम चल रहे हैं उसका और होने वाले हैं। सब लोगों ने तो हमारे महायुति को मैंडेट दिया है, उसमें देवा नेता।
So celebrations, viewers, celebrations in Mumbai. The BJP workers, the Karyakartas are dancing on the dols and the nagaras. There you can see visuals coming in from Maharashtra as Devendra Fadnavis has been chosen as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Once again we see he will return to the helm of affairs. He will be we will be the Chief Minister, and the decks are cleared. And this is the big update. This is coming in after the core committee meeting. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani were the central observers, and the announcement was made. Sandeep, my colleague tracking all developments, is joining us live on the broadcast. Sandeep, a big announcement and celebrations galore for the BJP workers there. Devendra Fadnavis is all set for his second term.
Definitely, this is massive. This was in fact expected within the Bharatiya Janata Party, and there was a lot of speculations that he would be given or may not be given. But ultimately, as we had already told and broken this news, that Fadnavis is likely to be the Chief Minister again. And in fact, as now Chandrakant Patil, the senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader in Maharashtra, had proposed the name of Devendra Fadnavis as the Legislative Party leader, and now it is very much clear that he will be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the second time. Shivangi, this is the second time that it would be Devendra Fadnavis to take oath as the Chief Minister. Remember, in the past what had happened in 2019, he would in fact try to forget those memories in which he was all set to take charge as the Chief Minister, but ultimately Uddhav Thackeray broke out from him and later on he had to sit as an opposition leader. Then he came as a Deputy Chief Minister. He was not ready. He was asked by JP Nadda and Amit Shah to take oath as a Deputy Chief Minister. But now, after the clear mandate to Mahayuti and maximum numbers with Bharatiya Janata Party, it is Devendra Fadnavis to take oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra tomorrow.
You know, Sandeep, he's returning, and in fact, in 2019, he was elected as the LOP, and he had made this statement at Maharashtra, saying that he will return. That मैं समंदर हूँ लौट कर आऊंगा, thinking the tide has ebbed. Don't you dare build your house on the coast, for I am the sea and I will come back. And he has lived up to that promise. He is returning. Alisha, my colleague tracking developments, is joining us from the newsroom. Alisha, Devendra Fadnavis has made good on his 2019 comeback promise. He had said that he will come back and he returns as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Well, yes, Akshita, you rightly mentioned since 2019, he's been constantly saying that he's going to come again, and now it is the time for Devendra Fadnavis to take oath as a next Maharashtra Chief Minister. That is tomorrow at 5 p.m. where he's going to take oath at Azad Maidan. Right now, it is a core committee meeting which has already been ended, and starting from Chandrakant Patil, who is the BJP chief, who has already proposed Devendra Fadnavis' name as the party legislative leader, and there are other several MLAs who are also backing Devendra Fadnavis. So the news break of Republic, which was given on 25th of November at 2:28, Republic was the first channel to confirm that Devendra Fadnavis will take oath as a Chief Minister, as the next Maharashtra Chief Minister. And now, in some time from now, it will be an official confirm that the Devendra Fadnavis will take oath as a Maharashtra Chief Minister.
And do we expect that the Deputy Chief Minister position and the cabinet allocation is also now clear? Because there were a lot of talks, speculation that is everything okay within the Mahayuti, Shiv Sena now trying to, demand plum portfolios. So has all of that distribution of portfolios, the allocation...
पहले भाई साहब सब लोग आप बाद में करना, पहले देवेंद्र जी ऊपर आ जाए, ये कार्यक्रम पूरा करें, बाद में सब मिलें.
आपले विधिमंडळ पक्षाचे नेते देवेंद्रजी यांना विनंती आहे त्यांनी मंचावर यावं. आपले आपण प्रक्रिया पूर्ण करून घेऊ. नुकतीच आता देवेंद्रजी यांची निवड झालेली आहे, त्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत. आपले निरीक्षक श्री रुपानीजी यांना विनंती आहे की त्यांनी देवेंद्रजींचं स्वागत करावं. आपल्या निरीक्षक श्रीमती निर्मलाजी, इनसे भी विनंती है वो भी माननीय देवेंद्र जी का स्वागत करें.